Hey guys, and welcome to yet another video of Fragrance Jam. And as you can see in the title, today I have some big stuffs going on in this video. So I actually collected a lot of perfumes in past months, and I tried to control and I didn't open them. I thought that it'd be more fun when I open them in front of the camera and make a video. So this is kind of a perfume haul, an unboxing of all these perfumes. Not a detailed review. I might give some little information about these fragrances, but mostly this is just an introduction and unboxing kind of thing. So let's start. So I have 7 perfumes, and 2 of the perfumes I've already opened because I made a review on them. So that's it. The first one that I wanted to let you guys know in short right now is Nocturnal Oud, and this is by the house of Perfumologists. This is an Indian house, and I don't think this is underrated in India because a lot of people already know about this, and maybe out of India it is underrated, correct me if I'm wrong, but more people should know about this house. Now Nocturnal Oud, the bottle is this, and this is a 50 ml bottle, I guess. Yeah, this is 50 ml bottle, and this is how it looks. Let me just remove it. So this is actually an alternative of Frederick Mall the NUIT. There is another alternative that I've tried. I haven't actually tried the original one, but I've tried an alternative which was by the house of Paris Corner. It was Ministry of Oud, strictly Oud, and definitely this is by far best, powerful, and more performing as compared to that one. You know, tried side by side, and that is the reason I'm saying this one, Nocturnal Oud. The next one is Somo Al Rasasi Mali, and this is by the house of Rasasi, the latest release, and you have probably seen the video of this one. If not, then it will be uploaded after this because I've completed an initial impression of this fragrance. So this is the bottle, and if not now, then the initial review will be uploaded after this video. The next one that I haven't opened, and I'm gonna open it now. This is my favorite part. This is Kumkat Wood by the house of Mansera. This is the fragrance which surprised me a lot, and I have a lot of things related to this fragrance. I'm just opening it right now. So this is Mansera Kumkat Wood, and I'm gonna spray it, of course, and we'll let you know the initial impression. I reviewed this fragrance. At first I had it and I sold it because probably I was not able to understand this fragrance how it was, and I sold it. I regretted, and this fragrance was not available after that. I got this fragrance after almost 6 to 7 months. So Mansera Kumkat Wood. So basically this is a vetiver based fragrance, and if you like vetiver, if you like you know, sparkling vetiver stuff, then I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this fragrance. I love this fragrance. This is kind of an all-rounder fragrance. You can wear this fragrance all year round, and totally inoffensive. It is just like Siddharth Boise. You know, you can wear it anytime, anywhere, at any occasion, and people are gonna love it. Kumkat Wood, a very underrated fragrance. Just try it from the house of Mansera. The next one that I will be discussing here, and I might take some time, is again by the house of Rasasi, and this is Asrar, Indonesia. I had a Thir Cambodia, and I saw a lot of review about this one, and I got it. Now people have only good things to say about this perfume, and I thought, why not, I should give it a try. I was getting a good deal on this fragrance, and I got it. So, and I'm not able to open it. Whoa. Okay. So Asrar Indonesia is their premium line, and this is said to be discontinued, but you know, people are still able to get it. That is the best thing. So this is how it is opened. This is how the box and bottle looks like. The bottle is very elegant. I will be mentioning the price of all these perfumes in the description section. I'm not saying it right now because the prices can differ. The prices that I'll be mentioning are retail prices. Just remember this. So if I'm mentioning this perfume as 14,000, you can possibly get it for 7,000 or 8,000 as well, but the prices that I'll be mentioning are retail prices, because it is possible that you might not get a few discounts. So check the description box for the prices. So this is the bottle. Very good, very elegant and amazing stuff. The juice color is yellow, and let me try it. This is the first time I'm trying this fragrance. Okay. I don't know how many of you have tried Athir Cambodia by Rasasi, and it definitely has that oud accord that I got in Athir Cambodia, and it is actually compared with Ajmal's Hatkora wood, but I don't know why, because I'm not getting that kind of similarity between this and Hatkora wood. I have Hatkora wood here somewhere. I might make a comparison video as well, but initially I don't get any comparison or similarity with Hatkora wood. The oud here is very good. Of course, this is a premium line of Rasasi, and that is the reason they won't take any risk, but good. I mean, even if it is worth 9,000 to 10,000, and if you are into sophisticated oud stuffs, you can try that fragrance. Now this is on the paper, and I will make an initial review, or let's say after wearing it a few more times, I'll make a full review, and I'll give you the performance on skin as well. This is just an initial review. Good. I mean, better for blind buy if you are into ouds. This is safe oud fragrance. The next one is, I never thought that I'll buy this, but I still got it. Club de Nuit Sillage. Now Sillage is, I have like 3 to 4 alternatives of Silver Mountain water. This is Silver Mountain water alternative, by the way, of course, you know. So this is the alternative of that one, and I thought that why to take one more alternative of Silver Mountain water if I have 3, but I don't regret it, because this is by far the best. I have said to a few people that this is not good. Ajmal's silver shade is better if you are looking for an alternative of Silver Mountain water, but let me tell you, that was in terms of price, because silver shade you will be able to get for 900 if the discounts are good, and this is for 2400 to 2500. Minimum price will be 20, maybe 2000 or 2100. So in terms of that thing, it is good, but let me tell you one thing. I tried the sample of this, and that is the reason I got it, and this is very good. This has less sparkles actually. You know, the sparkling effect that you get in Silver Mountain water is actually kind of similar to this one, and silver shade is good, but that is more sparkly and, you know, more energetic, that you can say. And this has that dusty effect in it. So, you know, this sparkling as well as dusty kind of thing, hard to explain. You'll be able to know if you try this. So I have a lot of videos to make on this one. I'll make the comparison video with this one and Ajmal, and maybe the other one, Derby Clubhouse Blanche, and yeah, you'll see this bottle more often. Let's go to the next perfume. The next two will be by the house of Dior, and this is Dior Homme Parfum and Elixir. This I'm gonna open last. Let's open Dior Homme Parfum. Now again, I tried the sample of this one, and I always thought that I'll get this one, but you know, it is either the perfume was not available or the deal was not good. I got a good deal and I grabbed it. So this stuff is phenomenal. I mean, honestly, they say that this perfume is very costly, but there is a reason why this perfume is costly, and the reason is the ingredients used in this perfume, the effect that it gives to you and to the other people surrounding you. That is the main reason why this fragrance is costly. The bottle itself is very regal and heavy, thick glass bottle. Now, of course, like, people who have used this perfume are well aware why I'm saying this. Now, this is not a blind buy, of course, because I tried a sample and after that I was able to get a full bottle. I don't want to spray this on paper. I'll just spray this on my skin because I really don't want to waste this perfume. Okay, now this has a lot of flankers and probably this is the last one, but I prefer this one always, and I'll always prefer this one because this has that that lipstick vibes that it gives is awesome. That is because of iris, and that is something that that cannot be explained in words. I'll try my best to explain this fragrance in a full review. I'm still giving it a good wearing because I don't want to miss anything out on this one. This is probably one of the fragrances that I would love to make signature scent, and that is something which is very hard. Now, Dior Homme Parfum. Let's move on to the last one, which is the infamous Sauvage Elixir. A lot of hype for this fragrance, and now we'll know why, whether or not if it is worthy. And this is only in terms of initial impression, not the final wearing. I'm not judging any fragrance right now. This is good. Okay, so here we go. Let me show you the box first. This is the box. Small, simple, nothing else here. You just get a few information here and that's it. Now it opens like this, and similar to Sauvage, and this is the bottle, 60 ml bottle, and okay, the bottle sits quite nicely. Okay, here you have the logo. Maybe this is something for the authentication. Who cares? Okay, so this is the bottle, small and simple and elegant. I just want to see if this has that Sauvage DNA that people are crazy about. I am not crazy about that DNA because it is okay for me, but I just wanted to review this, so I got this. Let me spray this and give my initial review on this one. Okay, the sprayer is amazing. Oh, see, people are actually on Fragrantica comparing this with Dracar Noir, and it is not like a placebo effect or something, but yes, I do get that barbershop vibes that is present in Dracar Noir. And again, this is not because I have read the reviews. Sometimes it happens that you read a review and then your mind directly goes to that point, but yes, it is initially a bit similar, or let's say it gives that effect of Dracar Noir. I'm not saying that this is an alternative or similar, because that would be brutal, because this perfume costs for around 12 to 13,000 in India. Dracar Noir costs for around 2 to 3,000. Okay, so far I did not get that Sauvage DNA right now. So people are actually saying that they get that Sauvage DNA in the dry down, but I might not be able to wait till that time. But I'll make a full review of this one and then I'll let you know if it is true. The Dracar Noir thing is definitely true, because you do get that vibes, so just a heads up. Okay, so Dior Sauvage Elixir, and Dior actually, I think they went greedy on this one because they knew people are gonna buy this anyway. That is the reason they made the size smaller and they increased the cost. So bad thing, but it is good. Just in case if you want a small manageable bottle, then you can try this one. Dior Sauvage Elixir. I'll be coming up with the full and final review, the big reviews of these fragrances soon, because I am yet to try them. 2 to 3 fragrances I already know, but I haven't used them that much. So let me make the full review and full videos after I try them properly. If you ask me to select one fragrance from these two, I'll still select Dior Homme Parfum. And I mean, I don't know why. This fragrance actually turns me on. It's perfect. So yeah, this is it for these fragrances, guys. I hope you like the haul. The prices that I mentioned in the description or the prices that I mentioned in the thumbnail are actually retail prices, because not everyone will be able to get good deals on these perfumes. So I've taken the prices that are common all over India. So just make sure that you check that out before buying the perfumes, or before commenting here that this perfume costs this and not this and you are wrong, whatever it is. So yeah, we'll see you in the next episode. Take care, goodbye, and have a great day.